Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circular slide rule. This ingenious device performs complex calculations like multiplication and division using logarithmic scales. It consists of three main parts: a fixed outer ring called the stator, a rotating inner disk known as the rotor, and a transparent cursor. Understanding these components is the first step to mastering this powerful, non-electronic tool for quick computations. Let's tackle multiplication. First, locate your first number on the C scale and align it with the 1 on the D scale. Next, find your second number on the C scale. Now, simply read the product on the D scale directly beneath the second number you just found. For instance, to multiply 2 by 3, align the 2 on the C scale with the 1 on the D scale, then find 3 on the C scale to see 6 on the D scale. Now, let's move on to division. Begin by aligning the divisor, which is the number you are dividing by, on the C scale with the dividend, the number being divided, on the D scale. Then, locate the 1 on the C scale. The quotient, or your answer, will be found on the D scale, directly beneath that one. For example, to divide 8 by 4, align 4 on C with 8 on D, then find 1 on C to see 2 on D. Beyond basic multiplication and division, many circular slide rules offer scales for more advanced operations, such as calculating squares, square roots, and even trigonometric functions. To truly master this tool, consistent practice with known values is key. Always remember to estimate the magnitude of your answer to correctly place the decimal point. With dedication, you will unlock the full potential of this remarkable analog computer, capable of solving a wide range of mathematical problems.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.